To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, I know you're strong, yeah. But you be wrong and strong, that means you're weak. And if you can't say you're sorry when you're wrong, that means sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our faults. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look in your faults. Now make your pride and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. A better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Only you can make it good. Bad boy upon this. Eh?
Just watch all there, man. Let me show you.
That you say? My pressure a case. What kind of case you have pressure? Careful the bucket to watch out. Pressure a case. Pressure a case. Pressure them. Ah. Pressure them. Pressure them. Pass. Go on now.
4. 4.
4-2.
No,
Yeah?
that's a 4-2.
Wait, no, 4-2.
No, 4-2 that.
A 4 this brother.
No.
A what?
Yeah,
So what
a
is
4.
it?
No, this a 1 year score by year, but what the number over this side?
Which number is the number, brother?
Wait, such a.
No, I'm going to carry that.
No, man, no.
Alright, we
See,
know.
they are doing it. You take me to fool.
Alright, we know what to do.
Fool.
See, I see you
Man, I
show
want
flip
it for
back.
work. I want for work. Fuck me, you know. Let me tell you
The man
that.
show flip back and step it back. Eh?
Oh,
Man step it back, sir.
alright. Watch out, one. Watch out, one. Chase you,
Double six.
Don't tell me, I mean win the one. I mean win the first round, so I play any damn no. Watch out, one. Watch out, one. Watch out, one.
Pressure.
Pressure. Watch out. Bombard.
Brother.
Hola.
Go on, man.
Very good.
How do you go?
Yes, so far.
Tell you.
They are going normal. What you go to this?
No, so maybe I go and chill with my friends, do I go and play food and you don't want to walk in a bar. You know, then
How much good? But so what I want? I thought you want to talk to me.
Why?
I want to talk to me first time. You know.
Yeah, you personally you want that?
Alright, come in.
Anyways, I know that me really come so let me get straight to the point. You know, say as of financial help we want to do. I start back at school. Me can't take it by the bar life. It has stressed me. And me no say me not no subject, you know. Me have more get some more. If you understand me.
I know say the right person come link so.
Right.
You yourself, and then if you want a recommendation to do nothing like
that one
JP
Spotify, you know? Yeah, you know really.
Alright, you see today what? Today Monday, Tuesday.
Today Monday.
Today Monday?
Oh, today Tuesday.
Today Tuesday, man. Alright. You pick up this morning for Monday. Hey, rough. Alright, so I say we're gonna deal with that, man. Text me. And we can tell everything and say everything but via text. See?
Alright.
So just link now.
Alright. Me link you.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
And we talk. Alright?
Alright.
Yeah. Oh boy, in a life. Who for play? Who play a fair play? Brother, so how you feel blessed?
You feel asleep.
Eh? What do you mean sleep?
Feel asleep. You shuffle the one the back over. You have to shuffle the one over. You feel asleep. Yeah, mama deal.
Yeah, man, I'm persistent, brother.
Persistent, brother. I'm here to tell you.
I'm not going to go around.
You're a gorilla, I'm a gorilla. We are both gorilla. What you tell me, say? You can't tell me no.
Brother, you come
You
here.
know what your style.
Oh, but can you win one game?
You man go win one game.
You're not kidding, that's all.
No, man,
Come in, man.
no, man. You feel like say. You feel like say you know, man.
So, like, you really feel like it because you and she were involved. They go jump on you and involve
I'm
and
not saying nothing. I'm not saying nothing.
But I know your lifestyle and
No, lifestyle. Right now, change me. I try to change the lifestyle.
So it's perfect. It's good.
Right now, to me see
I'm
it.
test him again and see him this one.
Yes.
I see it on, but I'm test him again and see him this one.
No, man, yourself, man. What do you want?
I'm test him again and see him this one. You test me, I test him.
Yes.
But still, what will cause you and she to stop that? You understand?
Well, you know, so in real life, though, not in time, there, bro. Woman ain't up to my standard in a certain way. You see, when me say jump, woman ask me how high. Woman, if you know how high if you jump, you know, to tell her.
So that is basically it. But
Yeah.
brother, a nice girl, man. I don't tell you.
Nice to hold you.
Nah, man, but yo, man, I'm down back at the point again, brother. And I'm so still. What?
Yeah,
What?
so you have to play, man. Right, yes, sir.
Nah, brother, I can't play, sir. But you can play.
Right,
Bad boy, you done.
when you tell us a tournament, you will go more wild, man. I'm like, coach, you are not win. So, like, chat down and chat with you. Nice. You can chat things too.
Yo, listen to me, man.
No, man.
Me and my woman already, brother. You don't know if you can't do something. My thing is not that kind of vibe. Yo, take it care and have a food. You guys, you want drink? Come back and say you want drink your blood. Yeah, bro.
No, it's alright now, right now. Me know nothing for gym. Whole night last night me a gym. Nothing for gym right now.
So you want a green bag?
No, you're mad, man. You're mad, man. Happy Beach active. You go for Daddy Sunday. Or Sexy Sunday. You know remember him? One of them.
Go for the beach, eh? Me have a party there, brother, but it's me kind of
Okay, nice, man.
too far, and then me's a boy if me I go somewhere and drink. Me might drunk.
And you tell us you're up there with me, huh?
How do you meet her?
Yeah, mean.
Eh?
Yeah.
I
Be a nice girl, go. I be a nice girl, go there, man. That's why I want me to go up there one of them time.
No, I'm not
Yeah, me going now.
But right now, I'm so focused on getting certain things out, you know what I mean? Make sure you can stand up. Hey, you hear me? Watch what I go on, let's see what I go on. Alright, bossy.
See you, Steve.
Alright, bossy. What you have? One you have?
Then you not see.
Alright, go and keep you one. I'll make you one sick. Alright, go and make you one sick.
Yeah, come in on your stuff back.
You don't know what I say?
come from. Not too long wake up, you know. I know me a sleep for morning.
Maybe I breed somebody.
Eh?
I'm just saying.
I be a bag views, and I know I say I use be a bag already. The girl that dash me put in a be a bag, so I bag, you know.
Yeah, tell me.
You know, say, they're on the office and dial, but for my friend, I make you all that money. And now I don't know what going for me or what. But look if I leads them or what. Something now work right. Or goes man now work right or something. Sister, I know you used to run the road, you know. I know you used to run the road and I want to see the power work, so I don't know if you don't do it.
Eh?
I want to see the power work, so I don't know if you don't do it.
Which work? You do what?
Eh?
You go where?
Here.
You go to who?
Here I know. Here I know. Stop going one like say, you know you used to them right. Listen what you go do. Now say I go scam. One of them boy them. Pimp, now say I go pimp one of them. But then I don't know with them, you know. If a flirt, I make him spend money, I just take out some money off of him. So any money we take off of him, for me and you.
Oh, wow. So that you call me?
Oh, you mean? Because I know you're good for them right there. I know you love to use your brain. When it comes to brain, and you know. And you love for work magic.
Listen, brother, listen. Yeah, I'm a bigger brother, and I respect you.
Mm-hmm.
And as you know, I will do anything for you. But that way you ask me to do, I can't do it. I don't left them their lifestyle for a longer time.
Oh,
Me
God,
not think me go back this again.
Sister, make we live good and alright. You can't do that for me. Oh, me can't move.
We always live good and me always do things to you, but me not think me can't do that.
Sister, you can't change, man. Me say I'm going to bed with no money, no sister. I say I just drink, you know. If you don't have to smoke, you know what to do already, dash you away. The boy them rich, them boy them full of money up there, you know. And millions of the boy them juggle up there, you know. And then see nice pretty girl like you black sweet girl, oh God man.
Listen, after all our me see my friend go through, me not think me want go through that. Me don't want this to come off.
But suppose me tell her say, want to your friend, my dream see before I reach her, you know. Cause he could dirty black boy, you know, ride the bike, you know. Me not like him, you know, the first time I see him, I must go to war with the boy there, you know. Cause I run off my money and not pay me, you know.
And you still want me go back
sister,
that
listen me, I say, I trust my friend. I trust my friend them. You understand?
No, trust me.
Sister, you can't help me. What make you
no, find some other female for
sister, you must can't boss me, sister, man. No man got get looks at sister. I just one chap, you know.
Oh, wow.
Just
and then when
chap.
we go do that, then one chap, then oh, and me get through, you go want me constant.
No,
can't do it.
Just one chap, just want 25% out of the chap. Just one chap and knock off. Each chap a fake.
No, me can't do it. Me left them the lifestyle years ago.
Stop them boy love lifestyle.
You know what me a free right now to go back to school. Me not depend that, brother.
You have uniform?
That no worries.
The money can't take your money go get uniform. More than walk around and ask family for help you. Family not get nothing.
You know saying I mean me no good.
Of course me no good, so me not look out for you.
No, you don't mean me no good.
Me not look out for you.
If you didn't mean me good, you would have put my life in a jeopardy right now.
Sister no jeopardy and my friend them.
Yeah, your friend them and not my friend them.
But you go on like say when I you them now look you.
That not say.
You go on like say when I you them now look you. You go like say no want go up there. But true me I tell you if you go up there, you don't want to go up there. But if half of you want to walk down up the door, what make us stay so? So
why you raise up and think you want to raise vice if you got so we are sibling? What I mean?
This one me I say no man. Just go push on no man.
What I mean by me not doing it? Argument done.
So what you want to pay for first mission?
You could have pay me or pay me not. Me not do it. You get it? You sticking in your brain now? Me not do it. Go find somebody else do it. You can't believe I just really call me out. You know what me going about my business? Yeah,
sister, you let you know say you don't want to make money at eyeglass.
Eyeglass, but you know what do it by yourself.
Eyeglass, no, me a man, me can't pimp man. A woman pimp man.
Oh, wow.
I mean, I try. You feel like I sell me, I sell me, not sell you, you know?
No, apparently I'm not.
You not sell you.
Sell you want to sell me.
Me just make a little fortune, girl. I make you go on so, eh?
You know say true, you brother, me not disrespect you.
Come here.
Me not coming back.
Come here now. I mean, know you like him, trying to come here.
What your problem?
Come here.
What?
I'm say sexy Sunday. We want to go sexy Sunday, you know.
I that the fire brain. Me not going there. Me not going.
Sister, just give me a favor now, please. Please.
What kind of brother this me have? Father God, what kind of brother
this? Me know you love
me.
Me know you do anything to make your brother survive. Me do anything to make you survive. Just help me, please. Just help me. So, I'm getting your number.
No.
364-44-313.
It's like a 9 you say.
Me know say you know your number, you know. I bet when you go up there, say you go text the number. I bet. And if me ever come up here and say you up there, you know, me ain't got no problem.
How much you bet?
Eh? You better want yes box.
Okay.
Come in.
Mm-hmm.
Pinky.
Go your yard, man.
Later, here. Hope you not text the people because I get your number. I know you text them, you know you want to go bad sister, you know. You go on. Show me I tell you want to go by yourself alone, you know what I tell you. Wow, where I go? Tell me to back, you know. Nonsense.
Yeah, man, so like for the years, you know, like being successful, you know. So we give thanks to life and things. I'm just one growing and check my woman and I'm just organize it. But she had talk about go on the road more long, brother, I tell you.
I see it.
I
see it.
You're not there now, how that?
I want to ISIS version them one. What one?
Why am I there? I'm telling you, you're good.
Listen, ISIS not there.
No, I'm not there. What? What's so short about, yeah? Yeah. Alright. Come on, not there. What go on?
I know say let me call him though. I'm sure my one pray, you know what I mean?
You're there, man, in touch with from early out, you know.
Early, what time so?
I'm say early, me early boy, I can't.
About 6 o'clock I'm on the early bird.
Yeah, I'm about from 6, 7 sometime, okay. I don't know, road traffic and sitting, man, beat the traffic.
True.
So,
I want one pray when he come show him, man. So, you know.
mm.
This is all in there. You know, I'm good at it.
So what kind of prayer come show? You a long time you know it, man.
A long time you know thing in the street about life and thing, you know.
I tell you, brother.
Start with Poland,
I tell you, brother.
Balenciaga and everything. You know what I mean? A long time in the game, you know.
Real, man.
Long time in the game.
You know the game still, man.
But differently though. I come show me one pray cause something I get mixed up. I understand. Yeah. But right now, I should because in there, I can't tell you what. You have to tell him, sir.
We don't talk to him, man. Yo,
yeah?
But I make it seem like, say, we are stranger.
I'm not really stranger, but I tell him I'm really is a man who talk my business to everybody.
I know business.
I tell you, I tell him, I tell that.
No. Around somebody. This a boy. No, brother, I'm in a certain thing right now. Life so sweet where I feel step into enjoy it. And if me have people around me, I can help on certain things, you know what I mean? True. So I feel like say me is a boy. Alright, it's enough people what them feel to understand is that not because a person is not available to them, that means they switch from them. People have been things that deal with time change, you know.
Things and time change all the time and people is switching up.
But I must say, it's not matter of switches that people
well,
have to do them.
we have some things where that get misplaced. You understand? People not really pay attention to my business more than how I pay attention to them. You know what I mean? So right now, them a girl with me right now and I need to get back on foot. You see me? You know my thing right now, my game, you know really so high again, in low. So I need to get back on farm, I have to link with him. If I don't link with him, I can't link with certain things because I my brain mind up there, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I have to link him and show my prayer and show him say.
If anyway I can assist in any way anything, you don't know anything, I'm there, brother, because see that place that I really want to start out properly, move on and sit now by the window. People are renting out, you know. But they rent out with understand.
Yeah, so money they have for me, like, I come for still, you know.
Big money they come on.
100,000 man.
100,000?
Yes man, I come for money, you don't know.
So,
yeah.
You plan to turn the money out?
Turn, invest.
Invest.
So, I go invest with you, right? And I know you know, but I never run no tight reason like how we are reason right now. So, I run invest with them and know your background.
No, you know, so everything I'm touch upon always manifest to the best and the true potential. You know that already. But me know, it's not saying me have to do it, you know. I mean, I said to you, say, if you want to do it. But as you know, do your thing, man. Do your thing.
But one day say one bring better than one, you know.
Yeah, because
I understand.
More brain.
Each one help one.
One
that man. Up two.
Brother, we in a community a long time. I'm see you do your thing. And 3 times you go to jail. See?
And last time I go to prison.
I tell you, so what I want to know is that if you want to make a difference on certain things, you know, you can help me, brother. You understand me? I say things.
So you say we can't pay, you can help me?
If me can
so
help
alright,
you,
what me I say now? You only had toes when ISIS have me, you give me, you know. And when you come, I just take it back from him.
No, the thing is this now. One problem, I'm going at me run from a thing, but I don't really hold money from me like that. Because money nowadays, man. You know, some money come like a butter against sun. Eh? When you have money in your hand, really and truly, it can go spend.
I really don't want to spend.
Like one does a 10% spend.
Alright, I'm thirsty when I'm buying juice, but because I know some have money for me, I go upstairs and make some time.
So I think we have man, some beverage man and I go drink too.
But yo, me have talk.
Man, water, you know.
Me have talk and think about what you want to do.
You must have link that man when he come back in up.
Yeah man, I definitely gonna.
You have phone?
Yeah.
Me get number. Give me money because my last in a man change number. No put it in a man, no pay for man. 364.
Yeah.
44. 313. I don't know what that. Tell your dogs if you call me.
I will tell him.
You know what I mean? So I grew up on the acre.
Do it man, do it.
So I put in the work, you know.
Yeah. But yo, you know when things set already right now, if I go for the river certain with the police, I'm gonna lock you up.
You talk about my mask?
You tell me, yeah.
The back bush me I take man.
Back bush.
Yeah, man.
Well, do it. Do
Come
it.
here.
Yeah man, we should get it. Here. Alright babe, me a forward now. Me run a place where the rental place where me say more side.
Oh, yeah, make friends here, my dog.
Huh?
Hey, step, sir. Oh, trouble, killer.
Whoa! Calm down, my brother.
Yeah.
Where the farm man, brother?
Never right here, come see me there for a morning, cause I'm a black me there for a morning.
You know what I link you for?
What that?
I know something I misplaced, no, brother. You understand? I feel like when I grow me, you know. When I work for my business, no big man. I found business I work for, no youth.
So, what happened? Because you say a link from a morning for the
brother, you forgot. When I say I give you some money, you know, but man, put on for me, you know. I come like when you use up my money, brother, for when me I check your yard, me nah say, no, brother. I be a hide, man, I jump fence, you know, bad man. I want to know youth.
Put on for you.
Brother, you know, my money when I give put on for me, so I forgot quote, brother.
You feel like I my money that charge.
I want to feel your money, brother.
Yeah, me put. Give me a thing I say, me feel like
me say lock, me say lock. Like with a lock with Pollock or dash make you see. That me say, because I don't want to spend it.
So, remember say me I go for the work, see?
Yeah.
I know food there, the run thing, so me feel like that food there.
No, brother, you can't touch my thing when me give put on one side, bro. What kind of body say I free my you?
So wait, no man. We leave one load of people, because I know say people chat my brother. You know anybody here have money business, next thing people come beg me money.
Brother, talk, but me don't know what reason with you, brother.
What me want to know, my friend? So, if it's a cheese, I'm going to forget after that, we're going to
brother, no say man rub from down. I never go on the works there, you know. Me never go on the works there. Me say I plan up and well if me not bad man. So I come like a styling thing, bro.
No, man, no, not like that. I feel like I'm my cheese, because see cheese I'm selling for right now, my dog. I cheese this, you know.
So I tell me, so my money when me get put on, take and buy.
They should be more clear, they should be more specific.
It's a style thing.
I don't know style thing. But when I feel I have no cash, see there, I'm a flat. You know, see?
I run, I'm done, brother. I need some pocket. We can't do. I'm done right now, brother.
Boy. Me never can see him, boy.
You know, say do come like break up friendship with you, brother, because I'm not real.
No, dog, I'm not saying
nothing like
you know,
that. Listen to me, I say no. You're a bigger jagger of me, you know. I'm just come in and give me, brother. When you can look for last man, look 100,000, brother. You hear me, I tell you, bro.
Judge.
I show me I come for long,
Judge.
Fire 1 point, you know, you would.
I they say reach.
Oh, you mean if I say reach? Oh, that tell me a free dog.
Come on, tell me when you step to me so mean an idea for train a charge. No, dog, you can't make creatures. Remember, say how far away come from another dog. I don't know where road.
But man, I kill man for $1 and one clothes spin much less. $100,000. You know, so brown man go on up a man devil.
Who?
Brown man. But me, they say make 100 police shell up there. You know you are going. Like brother, brown man, I want me to.
I didn't the badness really put to me right now.
How you mean if I didn't the badness, the bad man? How you mean? How you mean if I didn't the badness? So wait, do you do now? Do what you want to do? I chat, talk.
Yeah, man.
Because I'm a fire upon me, you know. You know, have a fire upon you.
Yeah, man, man. Like you're hungry. You're
hungry. You know what? You know, let me come lift dark and fly that same.
Yeah, man, like you eat from morning, man. Like he's stressed. 40 man. But that man a mad man. Like, me go up and work. Me go up and work. I want to collect money and laugh all night. I mean, if you broke, you better find the money if you quarters again.
One by one, we gotta make contact just to get on the right track. When it seems like something is missing, and for all the good things that you wishing, there's a place that the vibes is right, just like paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise.
You know when I throw the person of the people right and forward it, baby. Me I forward man. Now trust me, man. Yeah? Come on, the person I forward right now. First give me a yeah. Not far. I talk to my chopper. Yeah.
I bring
General.
my
Yeah, man.
they are calling, you know, say me G and every time we link you, always good vibes.
For real, man.
Call and say that they are not good, me a call link up until the door.
What going
You
on?
know, like you fuck with that, but me have to call link up. Yeah, boy, man. You must say my dog go mash up right there.
Yeah.
The matter of fact, this man go on the opposite show, but I him organize it. See? And then me and the boy bread back when move to the thing that film dog. And then when you reach back and film black now, you will left piece of food with me.
Yeah.
And I say you have to go and lock that. See? As you can see, you creek, I'm going to walk foot right there, you know. So I get something nice in the dark, we can skate in the dark, and get them love, so they have to guy, you know, say, badness, him and I push to my father.
I mean badness. You know, say if he come link me to the ask me for you, I mean I make him know saying there and ask me $150,000.
Watch out, me I try to show you in the desk. Left a piece of food with me, yes. But if me and my shower, and only get food, my food. So that the food I feel like a mine. See the man come to me and tell me say he want deal, me like how brown man deal with man they feel. Remember say alright.
Straighten that to them.
Remember say alright for brown man if a man live in a father. So man tell me say alright if you want to come for your daddy.
Sorry about him, I have to link him and talk to him because right now him a move like, you know.
Right now for the hills now, we link up the rasta them because we not take no check, you know.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, we link up the bubble.
So him talk to you based on the facts like say in a rise.
Oh, you want to see the man a step and come down there and like say you want somebody and something from man, my friend. When I say that boy, why pray now? I'll be a violence man, I push out when I get down to the integrity is like man I feel like say me a fool to them then. If me I go up and work, everybody get money. Well my money. I'm gonna go start clean up, but I feel like I show me clean up. I like see that my friend. And I know I can see the boy clean up and get a brand new bike and skate now my friend. And I know and all of us say they can late me all along that. How much months ago that? As me buy till they can late me.
Yeah, problem. Alright, you don't worry about certain things, man. You have everything under control. Touch your heels.
Actually, I hear boy still have to
yeah, man.
first,
As I say, something I go on. I find out what I go on and actually know how to deal with the situation because it sounds like him broke, you know, money hungry.
Tell me when I tell me if I ask if you want a phone, daddy. You know what I mean? You like a joke.
Boom,
yeah,
no, rough. Alright, as I say, yo, go on to the right. I don't know anything though. If you have to do that.
I got my chance to share. I'm saying and I'm right and I'm best with this again to come out.
Baby girl. You can't let him go to bed. I've had such a rough day today. Oh gosh.
That's wonderful. Where you come from?
Come from yeah. So every step we in the car and talk to you and tell you what's going on.
Yeah, but where you come from? What make your pants look so on you?
Come
Your shorts, your underpants are down your so on one side up. What happened?
I'm gonna stop on peace.
The top on piece. Me have to check you. Because I don't know where you come from. Me see your neck. Where your top on piece? Eh?
I don't understand why you make it seem like say.
Me say where you stop piece. And that me I ask you.
Oh, you think me stop or some woman there and piss on them? Eh?
Oh, so that I do. And that I do, that's why you come with a watch there. Your underpants not so good like you go do your teeth piece from one girl. And that, so your clothes look.
I have been working so hard You really feel like I'm that kind of person?
Oh, man, like when I cannot be trusted, don't touch
When
me.
you say trusted, what you talking about? Like, trusted for what? On what basis?
Because you love God, they go cheat and have multiple women. And that me attack.
Right now, I can't understand where this is coming from. Me had
Yeah,
such
me,
a wonderful
well,
morning, and it's like, me come home now, I'm going to tell you what going on the road. I want to tell you, say, you remember what you and Brads? Eh? Him now must want some money from ISIS. And the money we want from ISIS, to me think of money where you get ISIS put down.
Who name ISIS?
ISIS, you know.
A man or woman?
You say man or woman, what kind of talking that? You know ISIS? Stop going some man, you're going away, man. Come here, hug man.
No, I know organ thing, no exactly. Which part of pizza that me access it?
The pistol one corner. You want to check it? You want to take one sample and carry go down there, go check.
If I feel DNA, did it fit true?
Jesus Christ, man. Honey, stop, man. You can't stop.
Stop what?
Stop this. This is negative. Come on, man. Smile.
I don't want to smile.
Why? So what you want then? You want sad? Eh? Every time when the day is so good, or the day could have been better. Alright, you see place some out, I'm gonna tell you something I rent out, but you not finish. Around there somewhere in there, I'm gonna piece right
With
there.
one next girl. I want next girl around there so they
The
rent
tenant-
out the place.
the
The
tenant-
tenant a man or a woman, which one?
You don't remember say I want a couple, I want like a young couple.
Oh, so a man did gone, a woman one did it? Huh?
I was waiting and them never show up because they will have some stuff I do and I say alright, cool. And because of me do the opposite type of, you know, like me not really make them know me I reach at certain times. So I couldn't get vexed. I'm thankful for that right now.
No, leave me food, I'm not talking.
Me not have to be me ask if you alright, come and knock your sour I got me things.
No, yes, I'm hurt me, I like, don't you so.
I'm a pretty girl, man. Just relax, man. I'm smile. Smile like a feet.
I
Give us
don't
space
want to
already.
smile. My foot one massage.
Yes, sir. Go on for touch. Go on for massage.
Take off your massage. Take off your massage.
Who argues just might take time? You take care. You take care.
Take off it.
Me don't want no
So
cussing, man.
You don't want to cussing, so then take it off. If you don't want to cussing, simple. Me now, well, Jesus Christ, I'm going to burn you up today. One little something to me. One more people, you know.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, that's all. Take time.
You space here? Yes, sir. So don't touch yes, sir. So touch your yes, sir. And if you touch yes, sir, we're not gonna have a problem.
Yeah, do something, you know, do something, which one? Nah, free this one. Hey, take time. Take time to write this one.
So yes, sir.
Yes, right.
And yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So don't go up yes, sir. Massage feel.
No,
So make me take off your massage.
make it stay. No matter. Lock it back, lock it back. Next time.
You lock him back.
Next time. Jesus Christ, I will do the fast.
So the party we say one go, you see one go there? Or one?
Yeah, me still want to.
What time is it? What day is something at night?
At night.
But me can't go at night because no that's it.
Alright, fine. Me give you one time. 2 o'clock we are go then.
Okay.
2 o'clock we are go. But babe, you know what me hate with you? Anytime we forgot somewhere, you're always missing. Why?
I'm not missing. Me have nothing to do. I have to pay the bills them and certain stuff. You know, when the money come in, I have to make it turn. I must say me also here and there, you know, so don't have a place, then part of them, I always have some vendor and do something. Relax them and ease them. Yeah, make things look so. Make everything like alright, you can enjoy yourself. Yeah?
Just make sure so when me call your phone, you pick you up. That's all me have to set you. Because I'm not foolish today. I don't promise the people them say me I come support them. And I tell us say I'm me and you go. So make sure you're ready.
I already know, I'm relax.
So make it like if you want to sleep so.
That's all right, about 3 minutes, and that's it.
You stay here?
Yeah, go on away down your auntie. So far. See?
Why am I sorry that I'm an auntie?
No, so I can lie down, because you know, so when you're already make it nice with the blow gel, this, that, everything, I go make puff, bath. So all the time I say, go on and get ready, I go there, so. And then I have to go up and make a show. Eh?
Make sure say, when me call you, you answer. And you may want you? Come give me a hug, me and go in.
You gotta come give me a hug. I'm tired, man. I'm hungry, man.
Later.
I can hug that. You hug me like, say, yeah.
So I'm gonna hug you.
Yeah, bro, just everything. Later. Come on, start an argument.
I'm glad I don't see you now start an argument. You don't like argument in there, you like push it. Later.
Alright, later, yeah.
Yeah.
That's something full for your alarm just in case, yeah?
Hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So,
Yeah, so I tell you God the truth. A long time I don't sleep, so. I mean to sleep, me put on some sleep, brother.
what you mean?
I'm tired, man. I tell you, keep up and down and work and so forth.
Yo, that whole me already know what you talk about. Know exactly what you talk about. Exactly what you talk about.
I when me feel, brother, I feel like say, boy, yo, go back on my bed, but brother, the reason
Boy, you know too long wait myself, you know.
Eh?
Mash up, you know.
listen, like say, brother. The reason I call away, you know, say, me have to know woman to touch the road certain way. And I don't tell her, say, we don't want to do it in the daytime, because I don't want to take a night and rest.
Alright.
Me bump and sleep, brother, phone and ring me now, you know,
Yeah.
phone. I don't know what.
Mama beg you.
Woman answer the phone.
Yeah, then I tell her, say, I'm asleep, you're asleep,
Brother,
bro.
I try to the woman to sleep in peace, you know,
Honest mistake, brother. Could reach anybody else she couldn't reach too. You know?
Some people don't understand them things. They say people don't really have to do things, brother. You answer me, I say sometimes you just, like me say, just honestly, just a rest off. Sometimes your brother don't want jealous and insecure, so things. Sometimes I feel laugh to myself. I go on, I say to her, I say, I want if you want me videotape myself and put a camera.
Yeah, one girl almost still see me. See, as my mother call me, a woman. You see, as one of my brethren then call me,
A woman.
You see, if me say me have a link, one of my brethren them, a woman, me have a link. Everything a woman.
What I say, man, and I say, man.
Yes, man. Right now, we just try to avoid all of them type of woman. It's too toxic for me right now. We can't manage.
And the toxic thing, it make no sense, cause
No.
yo, it's really and truly still why them stay so, because the Bible talk about it, so man thinking in his heart, so easy. But sometimes I wonder if I sit what she do, why she feel so.
You know, but I know me do wrong to more than but the karma they God sent from my side, my boy, the karma they do strong, my friend, right now, me there. I just try to avoid the whole of the toxic people right now. You get see girl them, then just feel like say them always right sometimes, and they never look on the side of the story they can believe one time. What I so the thing I can say is that boy have more details so she understand the cause. You realize that she not understand the truth, like you do something already where
Me?
hard yeah man, hard
Brother, I don't do nothing yet. I didn't even think about it, because we are man. But I do nothing. But I say if me do nothing, don't make it seem like there's something by pushing certain things in a situation, make it sound like, you know what I mean? Me as a boy, if people tell me some of the things, I'm going to do it, you know. And you give me an idea.
God.
You understand? If you never tell me about it, you don't think about it.
What you know? You know, say, feminine sort now, you know, I'm going to say, I'm going to say, you go do it, you know. You know, I'm going to hear say me tell you if you go do it, and if I miss say you go do it. So if you go do nothing when you want to pray,
Alright.
you know that.
Alright, it's my style right now. Say it only like 5-6 years ago. But like dog, brother.
You know what I'm tell that.
But you see right now, me not depend on certain things. But me like the confusion and the, you know, the thing where I feel like the boy I'm guilty. Guilty for what? I'm not guilty for nothing, brother.
Why? You know, so you see, you don't know to explain myself fully. Just trying to best to steal the problems. Cause you see, if I go in front of the courthouse right now and then to explain myself to them, they send me a jail. Yeah,
Complicated.
You don't know to explain myself, and at that time, I beat me bad.
But you know, really and truly, anything should come with me, I just work with it in regards to that. No man, if you
can't just
so
walk with it, so.
you can't fight it, brother.
Explain yourself,
Never
Mr. Man.
explain, yes, but me, I tell you, say if she take it one certain way, me have to just know, say I saw you.
Oh, you see, if you take your next the only thing we can tell you, put them out.
It's a run out.
Ah.
Well, my problem is, my only problem is that fear people, my bad man. And you know, when she go tell, like, you know, some girl wicked, you know, then we go tell them brother, them cousin or whatever, say,
just tell them,
they do them this and do them that.
Yeah, me just ask you, say, you fuck them and walk.
Yeah, man, it's already.
Alright, if not, you take your road.
Take your highway.
Yeah, man, take your road, man. Because me know say your places are more than one places can go to.
Yeah,
It's like, I know say your auntie have piece of food too, you know. So no, if you go your auntie place, you know.
That's a good.
Yeah, man, me know say no if you go your auntie place.
Oh, well, I'm just there still. I just there, I look up in the sky because I can't manage. Say, boy, I'm asleep still. Even because I make a plan, so half fight on my fault. But me not going nowhere.
You know what
I mean, I say, best as they come, she check me and I say, what this and rate it? But yo, you know, I say, do your thing.
Boy, me I go down the road that's okay right now. Me have somebody for going.
Do your thing, man. I if you go around and say, you know, certain vibes, let me know what I'm going. Say,
just have your phone active.
Active, man, active, yeah. I'm brother. Cool. Yeah, man. Just must say when I come to cross.
Just saw you sit down. How long you sit down after so? Eh? Me a talk to you, Mr. Man, answer me.
I'm listening, my ears are
Me
here.
ask you a question, answer me.
What much question you ask me since I want
You don't see me did I call you?
Yes.
So why you never pick up your phone?
You see you after me wake up.
You see me after you see you call after you wake up.
Yes, I was.
Oh, you think you can fool me?
I mean, fool
You think you can trick me? After you put your phone on silent and when you ride your girl, when you see me a call, you hang up the call. No. Also, choose that you got to get over me. Eh? Answer a question and put one next over me. Can't object time to tell you now. So you tell me say put the pause, look a bit, and answer me. And that's what you tell me say. Look how come fake you on you so like say, you did a sleep with you when you know say you never did a sleep. What happened? Explain yourself.
I'm waiting to explain.
Explain yourself.
I fall asleep.
No, me
and
can't.
that was it. Me in the house. And me.
Me and my plans 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. What time? What time now?
No.
After 7.
Yes.
After 7. You're lucky me to come here with the cutlass.
Today you.
Come chop up you and the girl you did have in there. I thought me did
No,
have come
that's not
I
coming.
thought me antiseptic. Don't touch me. I told me antiseptic. Wait the cup.
Wait, look me for what?
Wait.
What? For
So
what?
you go call me back. I don't know say you call me back. I sleep.
I've been calling you when I wake up back. Me frightened, me so frightened when I wake up and I call you. I'm not get up on your phone. You don't know where your phone. You have a phone for you?
Me not on my phone.
Me not that.
Me dash you that.
What do you mean dash you that?
Me dash you that because it don't make no sense.
What you mean it make no sense?
It don't make no sense. Me have a phone and me have a man. When me call the man and me cannot get the man, it don't make no sense. Me bother have the phone then. It makes sense the phone get dashed away. And tap you in front of me like say you did a sleep. And you know say you never did a sleep. Stop your foolishness.
So what do you think happened?
Where did I do? What were you doing?
I was sleeping. My head been there upright. This is when I start sleeping, I wake up different place the way I'm tired. Now I'm throwing for the bed like a road.
If I tell me say you did a sleep one more time,
What gonna
I feel like I'll be optimistic.
You feel like you are abusive to me. I mean, I ask myself, so why you feel so? Why you so angry? The Bible talk about it.
You too
Why you feel
lie,
so
man.
about?
You're a big man, you too lie. When I know say you and girl be in a fuck. Eh? What you did that do? No ask of your last and final time. What were you doing?
When I have two girls in your room and make me sort out one, and then I'm gonna tell you. I'm tell you what going on.
Look at me and
And when the next one I say, your girlfriend so calm. Eh? One tape, me forget your foot sick. You see that you remember your foot sick. Relax now. Nobody fist me, nobody fist me, nobody fist me. Nobody fist me. Just relax now, man. You can't calm down and stop.
You said, look, me have top my foot.
Me. I know me.
So you say I told them did that?
No, I just joking.
No, that's not joke.
A joke.
I say you run joke.
A
I
joke.
say you run joke.
Wait.
No ask of feel that. Where girl them do?
Jesus Christ, man.
What the girl them do?
Checking your pants. Relax now, man.
Look at me on.
In the name of Jesus, relax now.
Let go me on.
When you feel like you're going to do your hand. Let's stop now, man. Alright, go to a party, Steve. Go to a
Lunch
party.
party.
The party.
You tell me so you cannot manage the party in the night.
Yeah, because
Me
I'm tired.
me go as far as I say, alright, then I'll go in idea. Because you say, well, go in idea, right?
Yeah, I tell you so that.
If you yarn one more time, you stuff the slippers in your throat.
I'm hungry, so be the righteous are sleeping.
You never
never
dare
know
you saw sleep.
So, man,
You
there.
never dare you saw sleep. What you did there?
Ask your mother if you want to find I must have paid mother.
You
Stop
want to
now.
tell me mother? You want to tell me so you did up on mother again?
Alright.
Eh?
Don't let me get serious. Don't make me get serious.
Oh,
Cause
get serious. Get serious. Come in a call out 100
Ah,
times.
stop joking, stop poking, man.
Call.
give me not. No, not for that purpose. Jesus Christ.
You should start getting abusing to me.
No.
You start letting me back.
No.
No. Eh? You
Yeah.
start resigning for me?
I'm first man, I'm down.
No, but you just jumping on my belly.
No, I'm not joking in bed, I go for my hat.
You are going to finish art.
Stop now.
Since you not start with that.
Me not start.
No, let go me hand. Since you not start with that.
Stop no man, just stop it.
Let go me hand. You never know say beat woman.
Jesus Christ. Babe, just stop now.
You're abusive.
You can't stop. Not you. It's like your mother upon one energize
the
about it.
spring.
You see what I say. I can work on you now. See?
After your girl, them done grind out in the house. You're tired, you can't go now.
I'm tired.
You're tired, you cannot go anywhere because at two of them.
This was a joke.
It was a joke. Give me your phone.
Your phone? Nothing. Come just a wake up and I want to catch cold.
So you had to delete the call them?
I want to delete the card.
No, I delete the call them because obviously I see the other my calls them in your phone. So you just call them. Start with them.
I must have almost.
Me no business.
But when
with
I'm sure.
say.
Stop now.
You had to delete the call them?
Look. No call from my phone. See? No call. See? No call. No call. So I'm full for them. Stop now. Let's make a laugh and smile. Stop now. You can't stop. Kiss me.
No.
Kiss me.
This is from the jar.
You can't own a kiss from jar. No sense.
Well, me
Yeah, my
that
daughter.
doesn't
Yeah, must be my daughter.
daughter.
Yeah, must be like a hey. Sorry. You know what? I'm going back to sleep. You on the phone? Keep the phone.
Me and you talk. We attack. Where girl them gone? Which part they live? Where they come from?
Which one you come from? You come from the one.
Oi! I love the bed video going on. What go on? How are you? How are you? Yeah, look so. I'm me and the man. You don't know, so. Me and him make plans for today, right? we figure one party, but he say no one going at night, he want go in the day, right? So I say fine, 2 o'clock we can go a party. You understand? He said, alright then, go on then your auntie go get ready. Me no go down and my auntie now, if you go get ready now. Me done there. Me start call him 150 so me not get him. Me call him exactly 2 o'clock. Me still not get him. 100 times me call him and me not get him in a pinky. 100 times. Then when me come up on yard now and I ask him say, what you did there, where you did go? Come here call you and me not get you and so forth. Which girl are you did in a house or something? Man tell me about him did that sleep. You can't sleep for so much hours. And you see me a call you and you not answer your phone.
Probably you don't move too insecure.
Think what you mean by me I move too insecure?
No, that's insecure. You don't trust him, you don't believe him. You have to just take it easy, my friend.
Don't tell us something I don't trust him, I don't believe him.
Yeah, but if you tell us something, you don't believe him.
So
Yes,
you
for
feel
what you
saying
say
did I
right
sleep
now.
for true?
Yeah, anybody can tired. Look at me right now, why not me tired and want all a rest?
You're different.
Anybody can sleep, my friend. You have to just, your partner. If you not trust your partner, your relationship now go work. So you must know.
But me I call him all long pinky and he don't answer the phone. And that hurt me, you know. And that hurt me. And in the night now, me come because he sit down out the door. But say he just wake. And he did a call me. When I call me back for?
So you did a call her back? You call her back, right?
Wait, in the night time I call me back. Recall me,
So-
he did a call him.
Jesus, peace. He still call her back.
Yeah, that's when he done doing deeds.
Oh God, oh God. You have to just take it easy. That's all I can tell you. Take it easy, you understand? Yes.
I understand
Take it
what you have to
easy.
say now. But me cannot take it hard just as me need a hot up, man. Me need a hot up. Me say if you me get ignorant one at a time, me feel like me I'll use my knee pan me sick knee. Me remember say knee sick. And kick him and hot up my foot. It's too much, man. You can't manage him. Me if you go somewhere. Work with the flow now, you tell me say that the time though when you gotta sleep if I set one alarm, do something.
Alright,
Yes,
just
sleep
take it
well,
alright. Just
man.
take it easy. You me have to say if you have to come check back in the morning because right now I'm tired and I want some rest.
So you tell me say me come here for vent and you run me to your yard. You're next one
No,
to
me
you.
nah
No,
run
you're next one to come here for talk to you. Cause me I go through something and now you want to come tell me. I'm talking to you, me and your friend. You're supposed to listen to me when me I talk. Me feel a way about something, you're supposed to sit down and listen to me. You can't tell about talking in the
Go and
morning.
sleep man in the morning.
Well, what kind of sleep you want to sleep?
Man just left I know me tired, my body tired.
How are you and man did I do so?
My body tired later. Why can go on now, lock me door, go on.
Sorry, you hear me?
I run away, just go check back tomorrow, I'm tired man. Later, yeah.
Talk to me now.
He said later, tomorrow.
Alright, tomorrow.
Yeah, later, yeah? Take it easy, yeah? Alright. Man problem.
Public, you see a rasta there.
Yes.
same dog there that a brother dog you talk about. Yeah, that man still alive.
Of course, I'm not gonna stop you.
They speak me to that son of thing, you never hear it.
Remember how this is.
All I will tell us to stop from that and my brother. So to the things man of fire with your brother.
Remember I saw you people so much here, right? I tell him some more going on and he said no, you know I'm going on and you know I'm going on here, right?
Yes.
Fine, he said must go on my auntie for it. So I said, I'm going to do it. He said I was seeing all of you know when 2 o'clock come, I call him on 100 missed calls me left for him phone.
Yeah.
Me not get him none at all.
Sure.
I call him so since he's in the book and yard now. And I talk to him and something. And now when man go up on the phone and say, him and 2 girls in the house.
Which house?
In a same house.
So that means you want to take it to fool around them.
And me not sure him and they cheat for me and then me have the audacity to go and tell me say him and cheat for me. With 2 women in the house as that. No one enough 2
Me tell
brothers.
you still, you want to know say look, I see me as a film boy called style man since the other day. But some money business and tell me so now, boy, via with yourself. Them when you're there. You want to say come like some planting them the pan door. Come here, me have to go page all about one at a time for you. So, this is sitting up your foot. What age for your foot? How far is that?
I know, so that's what me need support. And you know, so you had to get today too. I'll fist me in my belly. I don't know since when he get so. I don't know since when he start lick me. He never yet lick me.
Wait, saying?
He fist me in my belly.
Who? You see a master? Come at me now here, but we clear up me as well. Where's that one?
I say he fist me in my belly. And I make me knee hot up.
Man, I must have a foot here like on 10 boy straight
I
out.
didn't do it. I didn't push me and make my foot slip out.
You know, so I feel like a boy there and Brad plan up. Because time man pan a piece of food and man come this come like a planting then the pan in.
You
know what that is,
you know say in my not going good. None sorry not going good.
You know, hear me that. If you listen to you from all them time, you tell us if you love them people and avoid them people, my friend. Because I remember saying on them man the father and them man the father, and all hooligan them in my friend, but not like them boy. So if you go take them up, say my friend, you come and kill these, have no sense. But they will chat to man. Or fix things. Yeah.
But I will go to more things. Because in my people don't feel this because in child is trying to get
no, man, listen to me now, man. If I just an empty barrel make you most nice. You don't know.
So I can empty barrel now.
You know where I said, I can make you know, so we're not going to make no nice when you do things. A man violate my little sister. Your friend come this, you do the same way. We're not going to make it us. You don't know. You're mad. Yeah, I can leave my number of talking. You have to upset me. What kind of couple? You hear that? Yeah. Hey. No, come here now.
What do you want? What a problem? What is it?
Come on.
What?
Come look at you. You like the young man. What?
What do you want?
Make you pressure me, sir.
Me a pressure you?
Yeah, of course you pressure me.
Oh, me a pressure you?
Yeah, because you feel that I did nothing wrong. We can go on, sir.
What do you mean you did nothing wrong when you have 2 girls in your house one time?
You serious or joke, man?
What do you mean if you serious or joke, me? No, you say that to your own
Yeah, but
amount.
a joke, man, I run.
No, you cannot run there and joke there when you're angry.
You mean
I'm
angry?
gonna take it serious.
You mean you're gonna take it serious? You know, like me, I make it sound star. You make it sound like me not a violent person, me not aggressive, me not abusive.
Are you fishing on belly?
Who fish in a belly? Stop it, man. Stop now, no. You know what I'm saying? Fool me, I take from my hand, go so.
so.
My finger, not even fist. Finger different from fist, you know? I can't believe this, guy. I'm sorry if you sleep, but it was just an honest mistake, as I said before.
That is a big mistake because you can't promise somebody say yes, everything alright. When you catch your time now, you sleep well.
You can't get my phone on the phone, so you can tell me.
I don't want to phone to call a bitch then.
You can't get my phone?
I'm not giving you your phone.
Why you not give my phone? What you want from my phone?
I cannot take your phone.
Okay. What's my phone job?
Take your phone. You don't talk?
No, don't talk. Where you going? Come on.
Come on, phone.
What do you mean? Where you going with? Wake up, man.
I'm not sleeping. I'm not sleeping like you.
Sleep where me honestly sleep where. Stop the phone.
You report you to my brother.
You report me to me, brother. The brother police?
No, I'm going to say if it's with them belly.
Jesus Christ. My friend, nothing you want. Much of a friendship. So what you trying? What you
I'm
trying?
telling my brother say I did have 2 women in your house.
You not try to call the phone? Come must joke this a prank. Me look for the camera now. I can't know what it's called. See how dog come out.
The dog have the camera.
Dog have the camera. You know what you're doing.
Do you know why I'm doing this?
Why are you doing this? Tell me what you gain. What are you going to gain from this whole situation? I feel chilly. I'm just want to come in and what?
Why you
Say we never come home?
No? You know to say me have maybe that one.
Exactly. So I'm there so we don't long come here so where you there? So which way you there early? No long you are with me. I'm
So
bed
I
now
can't
for
fix up your bed. So I get clothes look so for you.
We need to close the
So I
need to go
can't
bed.
fix up you need to go bed.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, so you're going to do 1 more rounds again?
We need rounds for what? You
Rounds
think I
for
fight
what?
like a boxing match?
You don't know if a boxing match all the time. I know you're not going good. That's what I know. So you're like tighten belt.
Become a piece.
Every time you piss. Every time, what do you bladder? You want
The
to
next time you have a piece, I make you come hold it. How much that you want?
You want me to do?
Hold
I don't want to hold it. You have who to hold it already.
Yes.
No, you're not in it.
Smell good though.
As
You're
always.
really big. You see, it's a joke. It's a joke. Is this a joke? You never bathe? I saw you love somebody you want someone. I also love stay, man. That's
You
not
get to
love.
my brain.
I get to your brain, I get to your brain.
Me if you go somewhere, you sleep with. Me don't understand that. Then you tell me say you're a woman lady a yard.
Me and
Like,
nobody.
me don't know what to believe which one of them.
Sleep like that, man.
I sleep on me yard every night.
Just to me. Relax yourself.
Every night.
I'm just relax. That's all.
Don't come back on me yard.
You don't come back here.
When you don't come back on me, one to your girl, then me and them do that.
Hold on.
I walk on him.
Your brother, look. Look, you see? Your brother calling me. I'll go with you. What? What do you mean by that? Brother, stop the foolishness, man. What? Anyway, you see me? What? Oh, yo. I joke this, I joke. Tell me say a prank, bro. ISIS. Easy now, man. You remember who you talked to? Me no feast you remember who you talked to. Me feast that type of problem. What do you mean? Brother, me. What? You knock your phone? You happy now? You're very happy? You start something out of nothing. Yo, come go here, there, sir.
No, yeah, mine. Be careful.
You put number everything again.
Be careful.
Come go on in your yard, that me
Oh,
say.
me come go on here. come back and me consider
Me not come back here yard. Me not come back. Me not come back here yard.
You try
Simple
make
as
sure
that.
so you don't come back. That me I tell you. Go on up to your girl then. Boy for this me did one. Why too? So long as you have a rasta boy.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Oh, let me take you there. No man is an island jack. You could be tougher than a rock. Hey, one by one we gotta make contact just to get on the right track. When it seems like something is missing, and for all the good things that you wishing, there's a place that the vibes is right, just like paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, Public Jack say he ain't going back, no. So that struggling place, Lord. Mark my words, I ain't falling back. Yes, I'm here to stay. I found in my life what's been missing, and all the good things I've been wishing. You'll find me where the vibes is right, and the price is right. My paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, me say you now find public, I live above in me. Spliffing at the left and on the beering at the right. Just a wine and she a bubble for me right. Cause she know